Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today we are decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. I love how my house came out. You guys are also going to see the home tour in this video. I just thought I'd keep it simple and do it all in one video so you don't have to come back. I mean, I would love for you to come back, but you know, for this specific Valentine's Day, I do still have to do a couple more things in the house, but for the most part, this is the main floor for Valentine's Day, and I want to share that with you guys today. So I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so you're looking so Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up Decor till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
Okay, so here is an overview of the living room. I love how it came out. It's different from last year, which was my goal. And here's the couch. I love how cozy it feels and the simplicity of it, but still cute. So starting over here, I have these pillow covers that are from Hobby Lobby. I got them last year. They were super inexpensive. I really love them. I think they're super cute. And then over here, I just have a mason jar with a couple of flowers that I just, they're two different kinds. And I get all my flowers from different places like Joann's or Michael's or Ross or Burlington, just depends. These pink ones are actually from Amazon. And then these I've had for so long, I don't even know where they're from. But I just put them all together and kind of mixed it to like give it a little bit of depth. And then this is from Burlington, and that heart is also from Burlington. This is a Bath and Body Works. This is actually from the Dollar Tree. The mirror, I believe, is from Ross. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's from Ross. And then these candlesticks, I've had them for a lot of years. I got them from Old Time Pottery. And then these are from Sam's. They actually turn on, but they don't have batteries right now. And my fireplace, I got it off of Facebook Market for $200, which was a complete steal. And then this urn is from Home Goods. The little filler is from Dollar Tree, and then the plant is from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and then here my coffee table is from Amazon. This Lazy Susan is from Ross, Bath and Body Works, Walmart, and Burlington. And then those are from Home Goods. And then the candlesticks are from Hobby Lobby. I think it looks cute and it's simple. And then these two pillows are from Ross, and then that one's also from Ross. And this, I think I got it from Ross or Burlington, one of those two. So yeah, that is my living room. All right, let's move on to the kitchen. Okay, and here is our dining table. I got these from Ross, like I showed you guys. They're super cute and they're easy to clean which was my favorite part, and they were only $5, which was a steal. This is from Ross, Amazon, Joann's, Ross. And then these chairs I just got off of Facebook Marketplace, but I'm going to sand them and paint them white. But for now, that's the color of them and we're sticking with it. And I also have to change these curtains. I used to have a lot of silver in here, but this window is super long, so I have to find the, it's 106 inches. So I have to try and find curtains that I like, that'll match, that are that length though. It's a lot harder than it seems. And then up here on my fridge, I always like to put something just cause, I don't know, I feel like it looks cute. So those flowers are from Amazon. That sign is from Target, and it's just on a little wood tray that I got from Home Goods. Okay, and then over here in this corner, I have this, I got these from Ross last year. They come in a pack of 2, Hugs and Kisses. And then I just have my wooden spoons and my Rae Dunn canister, and I turned around so it doesn't have any words. And then over here I got this tray from Target. This little sign is from Dollar Tree. And then these are all from Amazon. These flowers came in a pack. I can have it linked in the description box. And then these cups, I believe are, yeah, these cups are from Target. And then again, that's from the little pack. I like these cups because they have like a little heart shape as the holder. Super cute. And then over here, I just have this sign that I got from Target. Okay, and then this I got from Ohio, from like one of those, it's kind of like a secondhand store, but it was just decorations. Super cute. I love it. It's one of my favorite pieces ever. It never leaves. It's always here. Okay, and I did have cookies in there, but my kids ate them. And then over here, I'm making dinner too. I'm making pot roast. But over here, I just have these flowers that have like a real feel to them. I freaking love these flowers so much. I got them from Ross. And then this vase I also got from Ross, which I love because it kind of reminds me of an urn. But yeah, and it was super inexpensive. It's one of those pieces that you find and you're like, ah, I love it. I love it. I don't know where it's going, but I love it. So, and if I get flowers from my husband or something, I'll move these and put the real ones in there because it's really pretty. And here I just have the other dish towel that came with that one, and this one just says Kisses. Okay, and over here is our coffee station. I have this clear jar that I've had for a while. It's from Ross. These cups, they came in a pack of 2. The other one says XOXO, and they're from Target. And then this is from Amazon, which I have it linked in the description box. This is from Ross, and then the flowers here are from, I believe they're from Ross or Home Goods, one of those two. But I like them because it kind of looks, you know, it has that the glue that looks like water. So cute. Okay, and then over here I have this this is what I use for my fruits. And I was gonna put it away because I'm not using it right now, but I just happened to put this vase in here and I was like, oh, that kind of looks cute. So I left it. I might take it out later, I don't know. I don't know if it looks weird or if it looks intentional. But anyways, so I got these flowers from Amazon. These are from Joann's, and I got this from a garage sale, which I really love. It's just a clear vase. And then this is from Ross. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah. Okay, so here is an overview of the sitting room, and I kept it pretty simple. I basically put a pillow there, and then I decorated this. I might be adding something here, and I definitely need to still find something for this wall, but you know, it is what it is for now. I think it's cute, and this is a room that my kids literally wrestle and play, and we relax and watch TV because you can see the TV from here. But anyways, so on the couch I just have the same pillow that's on the main living room that I got from Ross. It was a, I think Actually, no, I bought them separately, but it is a feathered pillow, which is one thing that I really love about that pillow, because you can do a nice little chop. And then over here I have this garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. Those two canisters are from Old Time Pottery. And then this gold tray is from Ross. These books are from Home Goods. And then this little heart canister is from Ross. I love it. We don't have anything in there, but you could put candy and hide it. And then over here, we just have both of these pieces are from Ross and the flowers are from Old Time Pottery. And then down here, the little truck is from Dollar Tree. Everything else is the little canister and the candles from Dollar Tree. The white tiered tray is from Target. And then the little flowers in there is from Shein. And then that's a Bath & Body Works candle. The holder is from Ross. And then this cute little picture frame that we found in Ross. And then this console table is from World Market, which I got probably like 2 years ago. And then my Sam's mirror that I love. And then this vase is from Home Goods and the picks are from Michael. So yeah, that is this room. I love it. Oh, and my chandelier, you can't really see it, is from Wayfair. And over here I just have my mat that I got from either Burlington or Ross last year. And this is not Valentine's, but it's cute. I got this from Ross last year or the year before. And then just a regular canister there with some picks from Michael's. That vase is from Burlington.